This is Camping with Real Action Charters. I've been doing the beach cleanup here in Port Mansfield for the last 5 years.
If you're going to be sweating out, as you're sweating out fluids out of your body, you need to be replenishing it with water.
Mario Peña with US 281 Truck Trailer Services. We're out here today doing the Port Mansfield cleanup.
I've been coming and helping with this for about 5 years.
This is our 11th year.
11th year.
I'm 13. I've been helping for about 4 years. I'm 14 and I've been helping for 4 years.
We've been doing this for 4 years now. What we do, me and my wife, we donate our time, put our boat to take people out to pick up trash.
We have had a generous support from local landlords that have homes here that they put in the rental pool, and they donate their housing, either all or partially, but we offer free housing for all the participants.
It's an alcohol-free event. Anything on Ken's property that's an organized event like this is alcohol-free.
It's amazing how much trash is accumulated out there. We're going to go out there and hopefully get it all picked up.
When I got the opportunity to come out here, you would not believe, no nonsense, the amount of trash and refuse that's out here, man. It's crazy. And the boat, we had like maybe about 15, 16 bags. Plastic everywhere. And then we roll up right here and I see a line of like 50 people working in tandem, passing one bag to another. And we're actually dropping off like all these bags of trash. So I just thought it was really impressive. It's an impressive show.
Never realized how much trash is actually out here until I actually started picking up 3 or 4 bags. And you know, I enjoy it. My first year, it's pretty cool.
It's really sad how much I'm finding out here. A lot of beer cans, and you know, it's one thing to come out here and have fun, but just pick up after yourself, you know.
We have a Facebook page, Port Mansfield Cut and Beach Cleanup is our Facebook page. So anybody that wants to get involved, they can go to our Facebook page. There's sign up information there with my email address, my phone number. We welcome all volunteers.